Let's take a moment to thank the entire media partners, the police partners, the event fraternity, the backbone of our industry, each and everyone who is made all the way from various places on the globe. Let's begin this with a huge round of applause. Come on, everyone. That's amazing. That's amazing. That's such a positive vibe here in this arena. Ladies and gentlemen, we're expecting the arrival of our honorable chief guests any moment soon. I request all of you to stay excited, kindly cooperate. Please clear the aisle for their welcome. I request all of you to kindly cooperate with the venue. I request all of you to kindly clear the aisle. Be aware and excited for this great day. We are unveiling a new chapter in the history of pharma industry, ladies and gentlemen. Amidst amazing personalities. A few more moments and we are ready to shoot. I request everyone to stay excited and settle down. Everyone who's standing there, I request all of you to kindly, please be seated. దయచేసి కూర్చోవలసిందిగా కోరుకుంటూ మరికొద్దిసేపట్లో మనం ఈ అద్భుతమైన కార్యక్రమాన్ని మొదలుపెట్టుకుందాం. Please have your seat. Thank you. There we go, ladies and gentlemen. Time to honor our dignitaries. Let's give a big round of applause as we welcome our chief guests. We have here Sri Duddila Sribabu Garu, our Honorable Minister for Information Technology, Electronics and Communications. I request you to kindly take your seat, sir. We also have another Honorable Minister for Health, Medical and Family Welfare, Sri Damodar Rajan Narasimha Garu. Another respected personnel. May I request the Aurobindo team to kindly escort the leaders onto the stage, please. With a big round of applause, come on, ladies and gentlemen. May I request Mr. K. Nityananda Reddy Garu, a Managing Director, Aurobindo Pharma Limited, Dr. Madan Mohan Garu, the whole-time Director and Board Member, Aurobindo, and Mr. Sharat Chandra Reddy Garu, and the other leaders to kindly welcome the dignitaries onto the stage, please. We have an eminent personality. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Srimati Nirmala Jagga Reddy Garu, a chairperson, Telangana Industrial Infrastructure Corporation Limited, TGIIC. We also have Paritosh Pankaj, IPS, Superintendent of Police, Sangareddy District. Let's give a big round of applause to him as well. We also have Pandu Garu, Sangareddy, Collector IN20. Let's give a big round of applause. Ladies and gentlemen, there are eminent personalities on the stage with a huge round of applause. May I request Aurobindo team to please come forward to do the felicitation. To honor our guests, ladies and gentlemen, may I request Mr. K. Nityananda Reddy Garu, our Managing Director, Aurobindo Pharma Limited, to please take the lead in doing the felicitation. May I request Dr. Madan Mohan Reddy Garu, the whole-time Director and Board Member, Aurobindo Pharma Limited, to please come up onto the stage. May I request P. Sharat Chandra Reddy Garu, Director, Aurobindo Pharma Limited, and Satakarni Makavati Garu, the Director, Aurobindo Pharma Limited, and Chief Executive Officer, Biologics, Peptides, and Contract Manufacturing Operations, to please come forward to do the honors. Give a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Honoring our Honorable Minister for Information Technology, Electronics and Communication, Industries and Commerce, and Legislative Affairs, Sri Sridhar Babu Garu, Government of Telangana, by our leaders and pioneers from the Aurobindo family. Let's have a resounding applause. Thank you so much. May I request felicitation of Damodar Rajan Narasimha Garu, please. I request all the Aurobindo leaders to please step forward to do the honors. Sri Damodar Rajan Narasimha Garu, Honorable Minister for Health, Medical and Family Welfare, Science and Technology, Government of Telangana. Ladies and gentlemen, deserves a huge round of applause. May we take the opportunity to felicitate another pioneer. Ladies and gentlemen, give a big round of applause for Srimati Nirmala Jagga Reddy Garu. Let's give a round of applause. I request the Aurobindo team to come forward. The chairperson, Telangana Industrial Infrastructure Corporation Limited, TGIIC. Through her leadership, TGIIC continues to play a vital role in fostering industrial growth and enabling world-class infrastructure across Telangana. Time to honor the IPS, Superintendent of Police, Sangareddy District Collector. Let's give a big round of applause for Mr. Paritosh Pankaj Garu with a huge round of applause. Also, we have another eminent personality, ladies and gentlemen. Help me welcome and join your hands for Pandu Garu, District Collector Sangareddy. Let's give a big round of applause, please. We have two eminent personalities from MSD. Let's go for giving a big hand for Dr. Dave Moraldo, Executive Vice President of MSD and President of MSD Manufacturing Division. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give a round of applause, please. Can you please step forward? So one step forward, please. Thank you. Time to welcome Mr. Sanat Chattopadhyay, sir, the Strategic Advisor to the MSD Manufacturing Division. Ladies and gentlemen, a huge round of applause to him, please. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. Can we hear a huge round of applause for the entire team on the dais quickly? All your eyes onto the big screen for the film to be played. Can we have the film, please, on the screens, ladies and gentlemen?
For decades, Aurobindo Pharma has been a name synonymous with quality, scale, and scientific ambition. A generics powerhouse trusted by patients in over 150 countries. But ambition, by its very nature, never stands still. In 2016, Aurobindo asked a bold question. Could we bring the same rigor and commitment that built our generics legacy into the complex world of biosimilars? The path is not easy. The answer came in the form of TheraNym Biologics, our dedicated biosimilars division. Biosimilars demand a different kind of expertise. Intricate cell lines, sensitive manufacturing processes, and regulatory standards that leave no room for error. But TheraNym delivered 4 biosimilar approvals in regulated markets, and 3 more are in the filing stages. As TheraNym is maturing with a pipeline of 14 biosimilars across oncology and immunology segments, the world around us is changing. Global biologics, already a multi-$100 billion market, was growing faster than the infrastructure available to support it. Innovator companies, large and small, were searching for reliable, high-quality partners to manufacture their molecules. We had the science, we had the track record, we had the team. The logical next step was clear. Introducing TheraNym Biologics. Born from the expertise and experience of TheraNym, powered by the scale and commitment of Aurobindo, and built with one singular purpose: to be a world-class biologics contract manufacturing destination. Every great journey needs a defining first chapter. Ours begins with MSD, one of the world's most respected and demanding pharmaceutical organizations. Onboarding MSD as TheraNym's anchor customer is not merely a commercial milestone, it is a validation. We do not take this responsibility lightly. We are determined to earn our place, deeply, durably, in MSD's global supply network. What you see around you today is more than steel and glass. This is a 60 kiloliters mammalian cell culture facility, integrated end-to-end with vials, fill and finish capability. Drug substance to drug product, all under one roof, all on one site. And we are only getting started. By 2030, we plan to expand our drug substance manufacturing capacity at TheraNym to 120 kiloliters, doubling our footprint, deepening our capabilities, and positioning TheraNym as one of the reliable biologics CMO destinations. The biologics revolution is rewriting medicine. New therapies, new hope, new possibilities for patients who once had none. TheraNym aspires to be part of that story, not as a bystander, but as a trusted manufacturer of biologics. Today, we open our doors. Today, we begin. Today, in the gracious presence of our Honorable Minister of Telangana, Shri Sridhar Babu Garu, let us inaugurate TheraNym Biologics.
Thank you so much. Karmanyavadhikaraste ma phaleshu kadachana. There's a famous quote from Bhagavad Gita. It says, when you put your head down and strive working hard for excellence, when you're not being bothered or burdened by the outcome and fruits, this is what happens. Let's give a big round of applause for the excellent team on the stage and off the stage, ladies and gentlemen. Today we gather here to celebrate a landmark milestone in India's pharmaceutical journey, the inauguration of the TheraNym, a state-of-art biologics manufacturing facility from the Curatech Biologics, who wholly owned the subsidiary of Aurobindo Pharma. Ladies and gentlemen, I request now for the welcome address, Mr. Satakarni Makkapati, with a huge round of applause, the Director, Aurobindo Pharma Limited, and Chief Executive Officer, Biologics, Peptides, and Contract Manufacturing Operations, to do the welcome address. So we are marking this day, the landmark milestone that we have achieved, and we are opening a new chapter. And this will be done by our honorable ministers of Information Technology, Electronics and Communication. Let's give a big round of applause. We have Sridhar Babu Garu here. Also, we are joined by Shri Damodar Raja Narasimha Garu, our Honorable Minister for Health, Medical and Family Welfare, Science and Technology. I think they deserve a deep round of applause. Yes, sir. We have the welcome address and then we will proceed forward.
Hello. Hello, everyone. Good afternoon. Honorable Ministers, Sridhar Babu Garu, Damodar Rajanarasimha Garu, Nirmala Jaggareddy Garu, our guests from MSD, Sanath and Dave Maraldo, members of the Aurobindo board, and my dear guests, and all of you who gathered here, welcome to the inauguration of TheraNym. Today is a significant day, not just for Aurobindo, but I genuinely believe for the Indian biologics contract manufacturing ecosystem as a whole. TheraNym is more than a facility. It is an aspiration. It is our statement to the world that we intend to operate at these scales to become an integral part of the global supply chain and ultimately to serve patients across the world who depend on life-changing biologics. I extend my sincere gratitude to the ministers again for gracing this occasion. Telangana's consistent support to pharmaceutical and life sciences sector continues to make Hyderabad a compelling and favorable destination for the industry, and we are deeply thankful for that. To MSD and to Sanath personally, thank you for believing in us, Sanath. Dave and Sanath, I want you to know that we do not take this responsibility lightly. You have our absolute commitment, nothing short of 100% effort every single day. It takes vision and courage to essentially sanction a project of this magnitude. I thank my Aurobindo board and the Aurobindo promoters for investing in this project. I am confident TheraNym will become one of Aurobindo's most important strategic differentiators in the years ahead. And to my colleagues, where do I begin? Every brick laid, every pipe connected, and every piece of equipment installed, thank you for your effort. I give you a shout out to my project and engineering colleagues, Amjad, Satish, Shankar, Ankur, Srinivas, keep up the outstanding work. And to the colleagues who have been working with me for 16 years, this is a great journey. Let's keep it up. Once again, I welcome you all to TheraNym. Thank you for being part of this moment. Thank you.
Thank you so much for the warm welcome note, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, it's time to honor and welcome our Honorable Minister for Information Technology, Electronics and Communication, Industries and Commerce Legislative Affairs. Give a big round of applause as I take pride in welcoming none other than Shri Duddila Sridhar Babu Garu. Let's give a big round of applause. The visionary leader behind the growth of Telangana. Let's give a big round of applause to him, ladies and gentlemen.
I was supposed to say good morning to you all, but I'm saying good afternoon. Andariki namaskaram. Gaurava Peddalu, ma senior మంత్రివర్యులు దామోదర్ రాజనరసింహ గారికి ఈరోజు మనము ఆరబిందో సంస్థ వారితోని మన తెలంగాణ రాష్ట్రంలో మరొక కొత్త అధ్యయనం స్టార్ట్ చేయబోతా ఉన్నాం. బయాలజిక్స్కి పెద్ద ఎత్తున ప్రపంచవ్యాప్తంగా తీసుకెళ్లాలని ఈ నూతన ఫ్యాక్టరీకి శంకుస్థాపన కార్యక్రమం భాగంలో TheraNym Biologics దీంట్లో పాల్గొంటా ఉన్న మరి వైస్ చైర్మన్ అండ్ మేనేజింగ్ డైరెక్టర్ గారు నిత్యానంద రెడ్డి గారు, అదేవిధంగా డాక్టర్ మదన్ మోహన్ రెడ్డి గారికి, మరి ఇప్పుడే మాట్లాడిన డాక్టర్ శతకర్ణి గారికి, ప్రధానంగా మరి ఒక గ్లోబల్ సంస్థ, ప్రపంచవ్యాప్తంగా పేరుగాంచిన సంస్థ MMD కంపెనీకి సంబంధించి ఈరోజు ఇక్కడికి వచ్చేసిన సనత్ చట్టోపాధ్యాయ గారికి, అదేవిధంగా MMD ప్రెసిడెంట్ గారు డావ్ మరోల్డా గారికి, మా సోదరిమణి ఇన్ఫ్రాస్ట్రక్చర్ కార్పొరేషన్ చైర్మన్ నిర్మలా జగ్గారెడ్డి గారికి, అదేవిధంగా ఎస్పీ గారికి, అడిషనల్ కలెక్టర్ గారికి, మా లైఫ్ సైన్సెస్ డైరెక్టర్ సర్వేష్ గారితో పాటు ఈరోజు అనేక మంది పెద్దలు, ప్రముఖ పారిశ్రామికవేత్తలు, సహచరులు, మరి మీడియా ఫ్రెండ్స్ అందరికీ హృదయపూర్వకంగా నమస్కారాలు. First of all, I would like to extend my heartiest congratulations to TheraNym Biologics and Aurobindo Pharma on the groundbreaking of this landmark biologics manufacturing facility in Telangana. I would like to mention here, recently we have launched a life sciences policy. Our government, our Chief Minister Mr. Revanth Reddy, and our industry department pertaining to life sciences thought of taking a break from normal life sciences and go further from moving away from just manufacturing, going to biologics, gene therapy, and cutting edge technologies. So in that resonance, I would like to really mention that, the consonance of the Aurobindo Pharma in trying to take the biologists to next level could able to really collaborate with the TheraNym Biologics, which is by MMD Pharma, and see that we all are sailing together. The state vision basically is to create a next level pharma, next level life sciences into the global world. And absolutely you are here, and we welcome here, and we know and we take the pride that Aurobindo Pharma is a Telangana-led industry. The successful entrepreneurship over the past so many years from 86, when they started with from a small unit, growing year on year, making a success not only in Telangana, not only in India, but globally. We are so proud that Aurobindo Pharma can make a name in the global world. And their association with MMD and trying to establish a TheraNym facility in Telangana definitely strengthens Hyderabad's position as India's leading life sciences and biotechnology hub. As everybody knows, I was just interacting with the elders on the days. You know, this facility will focus on mammalian cell culture-based biologic manufacturing. I think this is one of the most advanced and high-value segments of the pharmaceutical industry. With 60,000 liters of bioreactor capacity, the project represents one of the significant investments in the next generation biological manufacturing infrastructure in India. As everybody knows, most of the people who are scientists who are sitting here, who are from the same industries, you know, the biologics are the future of the medicine, driving breakthroughs in cancer, autoimmune disorders, rare diseases, and several chronic health conditions. Facilities such as this will definitely play a critical role in making advanced therapies accessible to patients worldwide. I would like to appreciate the partnership between TheraNym Biologics and Merck MSD, which reflects growing global confidence in Telangana manufacturing capabilities and talent pool. I would like to mention today, Telangana is a home to one-third of the India pharma production and over 40% of the country's bulk drug exports. We are now actively expanding our leadership into biologics, vaccines, cell and gene therapy, and other advanced therapeutics. Through initiatives such as, I was mentioning about the life sciences policy, and initiatives few decades earlier like Genome Valley, and the medical devices park, and upcoming Green Pharma City, Telangana would be creating a comprehensive ecosystem spanning research, innovation, manufacturing, and a global commercialization. Our vision is quite clear. Telangana should not be reflected not only as manufacturing medicines for world. We wish and aspire Telangana should become a global center for discovery, development, and advanced therapeutics. And I definitely hope this project will create high-quality employment opportunities for scientists, engineers, biotechnologists, and skilled professionals, while also generating opportunities for the local suppliers, service providers, and micro, small, and medium entrepreneurs. This investment demonstrates that the global companies increasingly view Telangana as a trusted long-term partner for a complex and regulated pharma manufacturing. Our government remains fully committed to support TheraNym in the successful and timely execution of this project. Today's groundbreaking is more than the start of the new facility. It is another milestone in Telangana's journey towards becoming the global powerhouse of the life sciences and biotechnology. As we lay the foundation today, I would like to really congratulate once again the founders of the Aurobindo, the mentors, the hard work they have done, the vision they have, vision later putting it into action, coming into a realistic terms is not a small job. Their commitment, their conviction to make this industry a niche industry in the global world. I congratulate you, sir, for all the efforts which you have made. I congratulate all the team, all the family members of Aurobindo company over here who made it possible. As we were we are just going to lay the foundation stone by our Honorable Health Minister Damodar Rajaswasi. I see we are not just laying the foundation today. We are also laying the foundation for the next generation of biologics manufacturing in India. I congratulate entire TheraNym and Aurobindo team and wish them a great success in this new venture. Thank you. Namaste.
Thank you so much, sir. So quickly, it's my absolute pleasure to invite Dr. Dave Moraldo with a huge round of applause. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up for the Executive Vice President of MSD and the President of MSD Manufacturing Division.
So good afternoon. It is my absolute pleasure to be with you today on this exciting and momentous day as we mark the inauguration of a first-of-its-kind, world-class biologics facility in India. In today's era of scientific breakthroughs and the speed of evolution in which the demand for those breakthroughs follows, partnerships are key to the success of our industry moving forward. No company, no matter how capable, no matter how proficient, can go this alone. Collaborations like the one you see today between TheraNym and MSD are exactly what the industry needs and will to be critical to be able to provide life-saving medicines and meet the ambition of having access to these important innovations to patients that need them the most. Biologics continue to be at the forefront of biopharmaceutical innovation. Like many in our industry, we are at a crossroads. Small molecules and vaccines have been predominantly the modalities that have treated and served patients for many, many years. Over the last 2 decades, biologics have made significant inroads in accessing therapeutic areas previously untreated and leaving patients wanting for something more. They need hope of these biologic innovations to be introduced by facilities like the one we are opening today. To rise to these challenges, we need partners like TheraNym. We found a partner in this relationship who can match the complexity of the technologies and the modality-specific requirements, as well as the demand that is going to be enabled through the 60,000 liters in the first facility and 60,000 liters in the second facility. It moves production closer to the patients that will be served by these medicines. At MSD, our purpose is very clear. We deliver life-saving medicines and vaccines to patients around the world who need them most, compliantly and reliably. And by reliably, I mean we meet the patients where they are, at physicians' offices, in hospitals, in centers of care, making sure that our medicines are available on time, every time. And by compliantly, I mean we satisfy the worldwide regulatory requirements to be able to guarantee the safety and efficacy of our products. We strive continually to put patients at the center of everything that we do. The responsibility to do this, we take extremely seriously. And we found a partner within TheraNym who shares a similar responsibility. This partnership signifies that we have found shared commitment and future values. Together, we will believe in what can be achieved, and we will unite in the best of both of our organizations' efforts to deliver innovative products to the patients. The collaboration, as we continue to launch a portfolio of biologics of the future, is going to be extremely instrumental in ensuring that growth in therapeutic areas that are currently unaccessible happen in countries like India. As we stand here in front of this beautiful facility at a first milestone, one of many, we're reminded that this is just one step in a journey that will ultimately be measured and evaluated by the number of patients who can access our products and the number of lives impacted. This is critical as we continue to go on the next steps of this journey together. I do want to thank the joint integrated MSD and TheraNym team for all of the work that they have done today. We would not be here delivering on this milestone without your unwavering commitment, dedication, and technical excellence that's required to bring this novel facility forward. We call this internally Project Vision, and you've heard vision used quite a few times today. It is exactly what this is. This is a visionary idea to ensure that we are creating access for biologics in a way that we've not been able to do in the past as a global pharmaceutical sector. Today, I'm truly grateful for the work that you've done and thankful to be part of the journey and looking forward to the next steps. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. Coming up is a respected statesman whose commitment towards strengthening healthcare infrastructure and advancing the scientific innovation comes to benefit countless lives across the state. Give it up for the Honorable Minister for Health, Medical and Family Welfare and Science and Technology, Government of Telangana. Put your hands together as I welcome Shri Damodar Rajanarasimha Garu.
Hello. సహచర మంత్రివర్యులు శ్రీధర్ బాబు గారు, అరవిందో పెద్దలు నిత్యానంద రెడ్డి గారు, మదన్ మోహన్ రెడ్డి గారు, సత్కర్ణి సిఇఓ గారు, సనత్ చట్టోపాధ్యాయ గారు, దేవ్ మార్లో గారు, మా ఎస్పీ ప్రతోష్ పంకజ్ గారు, మిత్రులారా, ఎక్కువ సమయం తీసుకోకుండా రెండు ముచ్చట్లే చెప్తాను. అరబిందో హ్యాజ్ ఏ very long cherished role in the pharmaceutical world. Today, in Sangareddy district, they have come up with an investment of nearly 1,200 crores, manufacturing about 250 to 25 to 30 million vials per year. These vials are mostly related to the cancer. We all know, as rightly Sridhar Babu has said, the bulk drug capital of India is Hyderabad, the vaccine capital of the world is Hyderabad. Our government is very clear on our policy towards industrialization and the healthcare, particularly with regard to the NCD, the non-communicable disease, the raising concerns of cancer in the state and the country. We are committed to controlling, taking measures, preventive, proactive, preventive, curative, and rehabilitative measures in the state. The government has a policy on this NCD, particularly right from the village level, screening, establishing regional cancer care centers, to converting MNJ into Center of Excellence in Cancer. Why I am saying this is, the reason is today, TheraNym, a part and parcel of Aurobindo, is into manufacturing at the national level, at the international level, the vials needed for the society. We are there with you. The government is there with you. We both together should make Telangana and a healthy Telangana. I once again congratulate the management of Aurobindo. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, another respected leader in the global pharmaceutical industry. Give a big round of applause as I take pride in welcoming Mr. Sanat Chattopadhyay, Strategic Advisor to the MSD Manufacture Division, with a huge round of applause. Ladies and gentlemen, come on.
Good afternoon. Well, I'm trying to convince myself that I'll start with congratulating TheraNym and MSD today. The way memory is rolling in my head is, it's a dream come true. In 2019, when I conceived this project, it was an aspiration. It was an aspiration of MSD to build a plant in India so that MSD can meet the needs of patients globally. We can expand the access, and we can meet unmet medical needs of patients around the world. But there were a lot of people who thought that was a crazy idea, because India had no competency at that point of time of building a large-scale monoclonal antibody plant. So it was a leap of faith. And it was a leap of faith where we placed our faith in Aurobindo, which has a subsidiary of TheraNym and has built a certain amount of biological capability and competency through Curatech. And today, as we stand and see this huge capital construct that has been created by TheraNym, it gives me a tremendous amount of satisfaction. I stand vindicated, and I feel very proud of what we have been able to do as the team of MSD and TheraNym. MSD is otherwise known as Merck in US and Canada. And Merck is known for creating a hepatitis B plant in the 70s in China and donating it to China. Merck is known for donating hundreds of millions of dollars for ivermectin, for which our scientist, Sir William Campbell, got a Nobel Prize in 2015. And this is yet another demonstration of Merck's commitment to the world that we will take forward our journey to expand global access. So in closing, I will say that while we have done very well up to now, and tremendous thanks to Seth Kearney, his brilliant leadership, tremendous support from Nityananda, Madan Mohan, and Ram Prasad, the journey has hardly ended. I've created no less than 25 to 30 such plants in my career, and I know there's a lot more to do. So my request would be not to be complacent, not to be overconfident, but to take the journey in such a manner such that we can live up to the expectations of MSD standards of quality. And that is what I would expect in the future, and I know that I can count on the team, because we will do anything and everything that we need to do to support TheraNym and Aurobindo. Thank you very much, and hearty congratulations again. Thank you.
I think he deserves a resounding applause. Ladies and gentlemen, a pivotal leader in the pharma industry. Come on, everyone, give it up. Coming up is the whole-time director and board member, Aurobindo Pharma Limited. Ladies and gentlemen, keep the energy up and give your hands for Dr. Madan Mohan Reddy Garu. Let's give a big round of applause.
Respected Honorable Minister Dr. D. Sridhar Garu, Honorable Minister Sri Damodar Rajanesham Garu, TACC Chairman Srimati Nirmala Garu, respected people on the dais and colleagues friends from the industry, and ladies and gentlemen. Today is a proud and significant moment for all of us. This is the biosimilar facility represents not only major investment in biotechnology, but also Aurobindo long-term commitments towards innovation, affordable healthcare, and Telangana's industrial growth. Over the years, Aurobindo Pharma has grown into the global recognized pharmaceutical organization serving patients across over 150 countries. In Telangana itself, Aurobindo has established a strong presence with 13 manufacturing facilities and 5 R&D centers, creating employment opportunities for nearly 20,000 people, directly and indirectly. We are proud that a significant part of our global operations and growth journey is being driven from Telangana. This new biosimilar facility further strengthens our capabilities in advanced biotechnology and reinforces our commitment towards high quality and affordable healthcare solutions for patients worldwide. We are particularly grateful to MSD for placing their trust and confidence in Aurobindo's capabilities and vision. Their decision to partner with us from the inception of this project and to become the first customer of the facility has been strong endorsement of our technical expertise, quality standards, and commitment to excellence. We deeply value the partnership and look forward to strengthening our collaboration years ahead. Though this partnership, the products manufactured from this facility will support to Europe, emerging markets, and the domestic market, thereby strengthening global healthcare accessibility. Honorable Minister, Sir, we sincerely appreciate the efforts of our government in creating a progressive and industrial-friendly environment in Telangana. The focus on infrastructure, industrial growth, and ease of doing business is encouraging companies like ours to continue investing and expanding in the state. Hyderabad today stands as one of the most important life sciences hub globally, and we are proud to contribute to this growth story. As we continue to invest and expand further, we seek the continuous support of the government in critical areas which are very important for sustaining global competitive manufacturing. The continuous and uninterrupted power supply is extremely important for high-quality pharmaceutical and biotechnology operations. We also request fast approvals for solar power generation projects which will support us sustainable and green manufacturing initiatives. In addition, reliable gas availability at competitive and reasonable pricing for industrial boiler operations will significantly help the industry maintain efficiency and global competitiveness. I would also mention that the true strength and greatest asset of any organization is the people. The commitment, dedication, discipline, and hard work of our employees have been foundation for Aurobindo's growth and success over the years. The achievement belongs to every employee who contributed directly and indirectly towards making this project a reality. My sincere thanks also to our industry friends, government officials, regulatory authorities, and members of the media for their continuous encouragement and support. We are confident that with continued collaboration between government, industry, and partners, Telangana will further strengthen its leadership position in pharmaceutical and biotechnology. Honorable Minister, Sir, we are truly honored in our presence today and grateful for your encouragement and support. Once again, my sincere thanks to Mr. Dev and Ms. Sanath. They are here. Because of all their support, we are able to complete our project successfully here. We look forward to a very strong relationship with MSD in future. Thank you.
Well, that was the end of the all speakers, ladies and gentlemen, to all the dignitaries on the dais, let's give a big round of applause. May I request all of you to please step forward and have a group photograph, after which we can move towards the plaque. Can we have a group photograph? Please step forward, sir. Thank you. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, for all the inspiring personalities, I request all of you to stay there and allow the camera persona, the entire fraternity to do their job peacefully. And whilst the ministers leave and the dignitaries leave, I request your cooperation, please. Well, thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. Finally, we now arrive at the defining moment of today's celebration. We are proceeding towards revealing the plaque. Ladies and gentlemen, TheraNym represents a shared vision of scientific excellence, innovation, collaboration, and commitment to transforming patient care globally forever. Ladies and gentlemen, tomorrow's biologics. We are revealing the plaque, unveiling the plaque, requesting our esteemed dignitaries, Aurobindo Pharma leaders to escort all our ministers, honorable ministers and MSD team for the plaque inauguration. Are we all ready, ladies and gentlemen?